The 5 principles of health. What are they? And can they really make a difference in your overall health and wellness? Hi, my name is Annette Mulligan, and I'm with A. Mulligan Speaks. I am a health and wellness advocate, a trainer, presenter, coach, and author. I'm all of those things, but I'm also a type 1 diabetic since the age of 2. And while I was told almost all of my life I was going to die young and probably never see adulthood, fortunately, I figured out that that was not going to be my path. And how did I figure it out? With a lot of help from other folks, especially in the medical field, but also with my own determination, if you will, in saying, well, what do I need to do to not die young? And this is where those 5 principles came from. And it's the idea of looking at your health very realistically and determining what are the steps you need to take in order to lead a life that is independent and abundant and very, very joyful, which is how I choose to live today. I would love for organizations and groups, and yes, individuals, to find out more about these 5 principles. As an organization or business, wouldn't you love it if your employees were less sick, more energetic, able to do the job that they have been brought on to do? Wouldn't you love to see productivity come up because people are there and they have energy and desire to move forward in doing what they've been called to do? There are so many different areas that these 5 principles can be applied to, and I would love to come and share them with you. Please connect with me here, and let's set up a conversation to talk about how these 5 principles might make a difference in how your group, organization, or you as an individual are functioning right now and how to improve that. Thank you.